how to create OkCupid account. So the first step is to simply go to OkCupid, or you can simply download their official app, and then you're gonna have to simply click on join, and then you're gonna have to simply enter your email address. So let me enter my email address, and then you're gonna have to simply click on next, then simply enter your first and last name. Then you're gonna have to simply choose your country. So let me choose, let's see, so let me go back here, and I'm gonna go with United States. Then you're gonna have to simply enter your zip code and click on next. Then you're gonna have to choose if you're a man or a woman. So I'm gonna go with man. Then you're gonna have to choose what do you want to date, and then simply enter your date of birth. So let me enter, and then click on next. Then you're gonna have to simply create your password, and basically that's all you have to do. So now of course you're gonna have to add your profile picture, you're gonna have to add your own description, and basically that's it. Now as you can see, you have to answer a few questions. So let's choose new friends, and then here you're gonna have to choose what ages are you open. Now you're gonna have to simply upload your photos. So you're gonna have to do that, otherwise you can't continue. So after you upload your photos, you're gonna have to simply click on next, and basically that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.